Pause here and breathe slowly. Let your thoughts begin to settle into stillness. You are allowed to rest from everything you carry. Stay present with this quiet space. Peace can begin to rise within your heart. Let me speak to you through Psalm 34 today. Receive these words and let them settle within you. The book of Psalm 34 verse 1 says, "I will extol the Lord at all times. His praise will always be on my lips." I am teaching you to keep your heart lifted. You can choose praise even in difficult moments. Your voice carries strength when it turns toward me. Verse 2 says, "I will glory in the Lord. Let the afflicted hear and rejoice. I see your pain, and I am near to you." You are not alone in what you are facing. Joy can still rise even within your struggle. Verse 3 says, "Glorify the Lord with me. Let us exalt his name together." I am inviting you into a shared place of praise. You are part of something greater than your situation. Togetherness in worship brings strength into your heart. Verse 4 says, "I sought the Lord and he answered me. He delivered me from all my fears." I hear you when you reach out to me. Your fears do not have the final place. I am already working to bring you into calm. Verse 5 says, "Those who look to him are radiant. Their faces are never covered with shame." I am lifting the weight that tries to hold you down. You do not need to carry shame anymore. Your life is being restored with quiet dignity. Verse 6 says, "This poor man called, and the Lord heard him. He saved him out of all his troubles." I hear you when your voice feels weak and tired. Your situation does not make you unseen or forgotten. I am present in your need, bringing gentle help. Stay with these words. Keep listening quietly. Verse 7 says, "The angel of the Lord encamps around those who fear him, and he delivers them." I am surrounding you with protection you cannot always see. You are not exposed, even when you feel vulnerable. My presence is guarding you in quiet and steady ways. Verse 8 says, "Taste and see that the Lord is good. Blessed is the one who takes refuge in him." I am inviting you to experience my goodness personally. You can come close and find safety within me. There is blessing in trusting me with your life. Verse 9 says, "Fear the Lord, you his holy people, for those who fear him lack nothing." I am calling you into a deeper respect and trust. You are not lacking when you stay close to me. Your needs are seen and carefully provided for. Verse 10 says, "The lions may grow weak and hungry, but those who seek the Lord lack no good thing." I am reminding you that strength does not come from yourself. Even strong things can fail without steady provision. You will not miss what is truly good for you. Verse 11 says, "Come, my children, listen to me. I will teach you the fear of the Lord." I am inviting you to listen closely and learn gently. You are not left to figure everything out alone. There is guidance available when your heart is open. Verse 12 says, "Whoever of you loves life and desires to see many good days." I see your desire for a life filled with goodness. You long for days that carry peace and meaning. This desire within you is not ignored by me. Stay with these words. Keep listening quietly. Verse 13 says, "Keep your tongue from evil and your lips from telling lies. I am guiding you to speak with honesty and care. Your words carry weight in shaping your life. And choose truth even when it feels difficult." Verse 14 says, "Turn from evil and do good, seek peace and pursue it. I am leading you toward choices that bring peace. You can move away from what harms your spirit. Peace is something you can follow with intention." Verse 15 says, "The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to their cry. I am watching over you with steady attention. Your voice is heard even in quiet moments. You are not ignored when you call out." Stay with these words. Let this settle within you. Verse 16 says, "But the face of the Lord is against those who do evil, to blot out their name from the earth. I am just in how I respond to every action. What is harmful will not remain unchallenged forever." There is a difference between truth and wrongdoing. Verse 17 says, "The righteous cry out, and the Lord hears them. He delivers them from all their troubles. I hear you when your heart feels overwhelmed. You are not alone in what you are facing. Help is present even when you feel surrounded." Verse 18 says, "The Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. I am near to you in your deepest pain. You are not distant from me in your sorrow. I am holding you when your strength feels gone." Stay with these words. Keep listening quietly. Verse 19 says, "The righteous person may have many troubles, but the Lord delivers him from them all." I see the weight of everything you are facing. Your struggles do not mean you are abandoned. I am working through every difficulty with you. Verse 20 says, "He protects all his bones, not one of them will be broken. I am watching over you with careful protection. You are being held together even when you feel weak. Nothing about you is outside my care." Verse 21 says, "Evil will slay the wicked, the foes of the righteous will be condemned. I am just, and I see what is right and wrong. What rises against truth will not stand forever. You do not need to carry the weight of judgment." Verse 22 says, "The Lord will rescue his servants. No one who takes refuge in him will be condemned. I am your place of safety and steady refuge. You are not condemned when you come to me. There is peace for you within my covering. I am with you through everything you are walking through. Peace is not far from you in this moment. You are being gently restored from within. Your heart can begin to rest again now. Stay steady and allow this calm to remain. I am bringing peace into your heart right now. You are safe within my presence and care. Rest and receive the calm I am giving you. Stay with these words each day. Let them continue shaping your peace.